In this video, children, we will start with exercise 12.2. As you are well familiar with the terms mean, median and mode, we will come to page 198. We will take a start with exercise 12.2, question number 1, that says compute the mean, median and mode of the following data. And the first part is this sort of data is given. So let's come to the solution of it, how it can be solved. Firstly, you have to write the question. Mention the page number also in your copy, 198. Let's look at the data. Values are given, that is 10, 8, 6, 0, 8, 3, 2, 5 and 5, 8 and then 4. This sort of data that is not arranged is called as ungrouped data or scattered data. So for the solution of it, and we have to find the mean, median and the mode. That means we have to find the measures of central tendency of this data. For that, first step is to arrange the given data either in ascending or descending order. Here I have arranged it in ascending order, starting from smallest value and proceeding till the highest value. So you can see 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 8, 8, 8 and then 10. And count the number of values as well. How many values we have in this data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So is here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you write the formula x bar is equal to summation x over n. That means summation x stands for sum of the values and n is for number of values. So you write sum of all these values, adding them, divided by n, that is number of value, that is 10. When you divide, when you take the sum, answer is 54 over 10. So x bar is equal to 5.4, that is the average or the arithmetic mean. Next part of the question is to find the median. To find the median is to find out the middle value, and we have two basic rules for that. If we have odd number of values, then the middle value will be the median. Otherwise, if the values are even, then we pick up the two middle values. Here we have seen that the number of values, as we have done in the previous part as well, total values are 10, that is an even number. If the data is even, we take the middle two values. Here I have highlighted it. So data is already arranged: 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, 8 and then 10. Now just look at the data, it's 10. So middle two values, divide the data into two parts: 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers from here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers from here. So middle two values, that is the fifth item and the sixth item, we will take the mean or the average of it. So in the next step, you will write the formula. So for the formula, median is equal to fifth item plus the sixth item divided by 2. When you take the sum of it, 5 plus 6 divided by 2, answer is 11 over 2, and therefore the median is 5.5. Last part is to find the mode, and mode is very easy to find because if we have the data already arranged, it is very easy to recognize which value occurs most frequently or with greatest frequency. So here if we see, the value 8 is being repeated 1, 2, 3. How many times? 3 times it is being repeated, whereas no other value is being repeated. So 8 is the mode of the data. So these questions are quite simple in your maths book. So children, you can solve part 2 till part 10 in your copies, if you can see here in your book also. These sums are quite simple: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Method will be the same for all these. 8, 9 and till 10. You can solve all these with the same method in your copies today. That will be your homework, and then we will start question number 2 later on in the other video. Thank you for watching.